Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will tell you how we can trade with Algo, and I have done some more analysis and I have done today trade also, right? So today we will discuss how I have generated 3,800 rupees from 4 trades, and that was not placed by me. Okay, all the trade have been placed by Algo, right? I have just formulate some script over there, and Algo have traded for me, right? So we'll discuss, and I will tell you, I will give you all the information about how you can do that. Okay, from last 2 weeks I'm researching on that. Okay, and that research has been completed now, and from next month it will be available for everyone to trade. Now you can paper trade on this. Okay, or you can live trade also. Okay, so I will explain you how you can do algo trading. Okay, and how I have done today's, because today you have seen that market has gone so much higher, right? It has a breakout level today and it's given a huge breakout, right? You can see a 500%, 300% call put premium have been gone up, shoot up, right? But still in this situation also, my trading strategy of writing options have given me a good benefit. Okay, because if you are selling in such type of market, so you may face a huge loss, right? And manually it's impossible us to control all the position and manage the algo and all. Okay, so how I did position, how I take position, you can see here. This is the position. I click on get position and I arrange myself here. Okay, you can check here mark to market. Okay, some position got profit and some positions got loss, right? And overall, if you see here, I got 3,800 rupees overall profit. Where if I calculate brokerage rupees 25, so it's maybe like 1,600 rupees brokerage on 4 trades, because these are maximum trades which we can do, right? So this is 4 trade, and I will give you the each trade information. Okay, what happened exactly in the first trade? If I shown you the today's trade, you can see here. Let me check. I'll show you the screenshot which I have shared to you. I think I still not shared with anyone. I just shared with myself only. Okay, so this is a screenshot, you can check here. Right, check. This is 4 positions, right? This is 4 positions. You can check here one, first position here, one minus 1,721 rupees loss, 1,721 rupees loss. You can see right here. Let me check. You check here. There are 4 positions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. So there are 4 positions here. Okay. In the first position, you can see minus 1,700 loss booked. Minus 70, as the market was so volatile. So 1,700 rupees was booked. And the second position, 2,392 rupees profit has been booked. Okay, on the third position, 2,229 rupees is booked, and on the fourth position that I exited manually, that 932 profit. Okay, and after that I paused my strategy. I paused. After that I have not traded. After I think 1 p.m. I have not traded. Okay, so this is the 4 trade which I got 3822 rupees, 32 rupees. Okay, and you can see the exact MTM in my broking terminal, 3832. Right? It is the exact MTM, and the good thing is, what is the good thing? I have not placed any order. I have not placed any order. System have placed all the order. Right? Now, why this is requirement for current situation? If you see today we need to place all order manually, then there will be our emotions, right? And we cannot watch continuously market and take decision. Okay, so algo will work for us in such a manner. 1 minute. Okay, so algo will help us. Algo will be our like dealer, you can say, right? If you say the dealer that this is the position, a dealer also can't make that fast as the algo can do. Algo can do in, you know, within 1 microsecond also. It can be done, it can be placed, right? So if you use this, you can get a huge advantage of algo. Now I'll tell you how you can use that. If you are using any broker, just what is the setup you have to do, and what is the charges also, I will explain you today all the things. If you go here, if you go to your dashboard, okay, from your dashboard I will tell you, this is your dashboard. Okay, if you click here on your name, this is my account. Okay, so if you click here and see the subscriptions, click on the subscription and click on here. Okay, in the pricing section you can see there are 4 plans. Okay, there are 4 plans. So this is first plan, this is free zero plan, that is not available. I think that have something issue. Okay, if you click here to choose plan, that will not go ahead. Okay, so as a retailer, if you are doing on a retail basis, if you're subscribing anyone's strategy, right, then you have to pay 1000 rupees per month to the TradeTron for managing your position, for set up your algo trading, right? And what is in that, you can see a number of private strategy you can create, that's unlimited. You can create unlimited strategy privately, right? That will anybody can subscribe that strategy, but you can make unlimited strategies for you. Okay, a number of strategies that you can create, a number of public strategies. So number of public strategies that you can get, you can create public strategy that anyone can subscribe, right? Right, if you take a 5000 rupees plan, that is monthly, that's not for retailer. Okay, but if someone want to enable clients for you, then you can do this also. You can earn some money also. If you have a very good strategy, then you can go for this also. Okay, now custom Python code is not available on this. Okay, now if you are taking this plan and you are making your strategy, yeah, you can make unlimited strategy, but you can check here exchange data feed or a continuous checking frequency, right? This is very important point. Okay, it's 1 minute. Okay, means what, if your strategy is working, if you have not taken anyone's plan, okay, if you are doing with your own only, okay, so what will happen, it will check after 1 minute. Okay, it will take 1 minute to analyze your position. Okay, so there may be some difference in checking positions frequency, right? It cannot check frequently. Okay, that's only a drawback, but you can go with this. if you choose anyone's strategy, like if you subscribe my strategy, so there will be a continuous condition checking. Okay, because I have subscribed to higher plan, right? I've subscribed to higher plan. That's why you get by default that benefit whatever I have already. Okay, but you can apply in your account only, right? So we'll check more. Number of back tested allowed per month, 10 you can do, right? Tracked on fees and all you can check, but that is not workable for you. Okay. Live auto execution allowed while deploying. All the facilities are available. Now the notification you will get on email, WhatsApp and SMS also. Whatever you prefer, you will get notification on that. So you can aware of your strategy, what you are working, what is your MTM and all, right? So today, if you see my strategies, no, how the mail, and the mail we received instantly. We received mail instantly in this. Okay, you can check here. This type of mail we get. Actually, just light gone from our area. This can be happen, like if your internet is disconnected while trading. Okay, so don't worry about that. You just have to reconnect and strategy will be automatically uh, it will activate it, right? So you can see this type of this type of email you will get after placing order. Okay, after exiting your strategy, right? So what other things, what is the necessary requirement for this? I just explain you. For this trading, if you want to trade in this, right? If you want to trade in this, you just want your broker account. Okay, if you open with me with Profit Mart, that's better, so we can track your position and help you better. Okay, but if you have any broker, just two things you have to do. Okay, just open this account. I think you already have this TradeTron account, right? So in TradeTron account, you just have to add your broker first. Okay, so how you will add? You just have to click here again, and you can see your broker, right? I think earlier video also I have explained you. Okay, and here is the tab, you can see here add broker. So you just have to add your broker. Click on add broker, select your broker name. Okay, you can see here, you can select your broker name. Okay, if you select right, you can see here there is so many brokers. Okay, if you zero them, then you have to choose what is the brokerage per lot. Okay, brokerage per transaction there, so it's already updated, right? And you need to enter API key, API secret and token also. Okay, so for this broker, like if you see other broker also, like Nirmal Bang, okay, you can see here the API secret key and API, you have to enter this, right? But if you choose here Profit Mart, then you don't have to select anything. You just have to enter your account ID and password. Just that's it, right? If you select here Profit Mart was already there, so it's not detecting there. Okay, so you can see here Profit Mart is already there. Okay, Profit Mart is already there. So when you select your broker, Profit Mart will be already there, right? Or Allies Blue, you can see whatever your broker will be, you can see here, right? But what I want to tell you that if you select Allies Blue or other broker, they might be ask you for the token and all the things. Okay, but Profit Mart doesn't require anything, just your ID, password, and that's it. Okay, once you've done this setup, then you just have to log in with web-based browser, web-based. Okay, with the web-based, just you have to log in. right? And whenever your strategy is working, that both web-based terminal should be open at a time, should be open in workable condition of internet. Okay, then only the strategy will be work. Now, if you subscribe any strategy and you want to work with that, so that strategy, if you go to the marketplace, so you can search any one strategy and you can deploy that. Okay, so this is best way to trade current situation. In the current situation, this is the best way I've ever seen. Because you can see in this type of market, I I could get 3,800 rupees MTM profit, right? There might be brokerage charges also, but after that also I am getting 2,000 rupees, right? 2,000, 2,500 rupees. Okay, yesterday also I have shown you one trade that given me 3,600 rupees, right? So such type of trades we can do hassle free, right? We don't have to place a stop loss on system. We don't have to place any orders on the system, right? This algo will take care of all the things. All order will go automatically through the system, right? So this is the best way to trade. I think everyone should do this type of trading. You can do in cash, commodities, futures, option, anything, right? So if you want to trade with me, if you want my help, then you can reach out to me. Okay, you just have to fix appointment with me. If you are ready to invest 1 lakh rupees or more, then you can book my appointment. I will tell you everything in detail. Okay, and we'll make a strategy according to you, right? So I have given all the links below in the description. You can check. You can book a calendar link. Saturday, Sunday, full day I am with you. Just book appointment. Okay, this appointment will be for 1 hour. 1 hour we will discuss. We will discuss each and everything about the strategy, about your portfolio, your risk appetite, and everything, right? So this meeting is available for only Saturday and Sunday. If you are interested to invest 1 lakh rupees, okay, if you are interested to do algo trading, right, then only book my appointment. Okay, so thanks a lot and bye bye. If you have any query, just comment in comment section. Okay, and we'll meet in next video. Bye bye.